Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, this is a brow lamination video. Now I did have a different intro, but as I was editing this, I couldn't find it. So love that for me. But I do still have the footage. So I decided to not let it go to waste. This is a couple days after my brows have been done. So they don't have anything but brow gel on them. That's it. That's all. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do my at-home brow lamination and my at-home tinting, keep watching.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, down, down,
so it kind of slides out like this. And these are each one of some Q-tips to apply the product, saran wrap, again, any brand will work, cotton pads, and once again, folks, you guessed it, any brand will work. Okay. A small brush. The thinner it is, the better it will work. Usually, I would say use an angled iron. The Just for Men, it's like a beard tint. Then, last but not least, you will need some tweezers. You will also need an eyebrow. You will also need, and we will dip our Q-tip in. We will dip our Q-tip in like so, and we will.
whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart so I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count. Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever.
That is the end of this video. Also, as I was recording, I realized I lost the outro also. So there's that. And I just wanted to be a little bit more cohesive, so I just did them together. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a big thumbs up. Other than that, as always, don't do anything I wouldn't do. And if you do, do it twice. Bye.